Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a picture frame using illustration board. First, gather your essential materials: a sturdy illustration board, a reliable ruler, a sharp craft knife, and strong adhesive. It's important to choose an illustration board that is at least 2 to 3 millimeters thick for good stability. Also, have your chosen photo or artwork ready, as its size will dictate the inner dimensions of your custom. Now, let's move on to cutting your frame pieces. Begin by precisely measuring and marking the exact inner opening for your picture directly onto the illustration board. Using a sharp craft knife and a metal ruler, carefully cut out this inner rectangle. Next, measure and cut 4 separate border strips from your illustration board. Each strip should be at least 1 inch wide to create a substantial frame border. After connecting, launch Call of Duty Mobile and go to the game settings. You will find a dedicated controller tab there. Here, you can customize your experience by adjusting sensitivity, remapping buttons, and fine-tuning other preferences. Take some time to experiment with these settings to find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle. For the final steps, let's add the backing and finishing touches. Cut a piece of illustration board for the backing, making it slightly larger than your picture. Secure your artwork to this backing using tape or a small amount of glue. Now, attach the backing to your assembled frame, but remember to leave one side unglued. This allows you to easily insert or change your picture whenever you wish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.